Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace ball joints on a Ram 2500 using an easy method. First, ensure your truck is safely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands. Then, remove the front wheel and tire assembly. Having the right tools, especially a quality ball joint press and a reliable torque wrench, will make this job much smoother and more efficient. Let's get started with the initial steps to prepare your vehicle for the replacement. Next, we'll begin disconnecting the necessary components. Start by carefully detaching the brake caliper and rotor, making sure to hang the caliper securely to avoid stressing the brake line. Then, separate the steering linkage and the tie rod end from the steering knuckle. After that, remove the large axle nut and gently slide the axle shaft out of the hub. Finally, unbolt the hub assembly from the knuckle, preparing it for ball joint access. Now for the main event, removing and installing the ball joints. You'll need a robust ball joint press kit for this. First, use the press to remove the old upper and lower ball joints from the steering knuckle. Once they are out, thoroughly clean the bores to ensure a smooth fit for the new parts. Then, carefully press the new lower ball joint into position, followed by the new upper ball joint, making sure they are seated correctly. With the new ball joints installed, it's time for reassembly. Reattach the hub assembly and carefully slide the axle shaft back into place, securing it with the axle nut. Then, reconnect the steering linkage, the tie rod end, and the brake caliper and rotor. It is absolutely critical to torque all fasteners to the manufacturer's exact specifications for safety and longevity. Finally, perform a thorough inspection and a short test drive to ensure everything is operating correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.